Thank you. Welcome to Eva Trades, and welcome to the live show. It is Monday morning, and here for you today, my name is Josh, and we're going to go ahead and trade the market real time. So let's take a look at what we have so far. First off, I'll show you my progress. So far in this road to $1 million, I'm sitting up $487. Now I know that's a long ways from $1 million, but I'm in phase one, and that is to make $500. And so far, I've done pretty good. I thought it would take me around maybe 40 days. I've done it in less. Well, I haven't done it yet, but I'm close. Now, today I am starting my day out red. I traded pre-market. I did record those trades, and I will release a trade review later today or into the night so you can see those trades that I took as well. But today I needed $13 to cross that $500 mark. This is my P&L chart. These are my daily candles. And excuse me for a second. Okay. Had to let the horses out. Wash the car. Shovel the driveway. I'm back now. All right. So anyways, yeah. So each one of these candles represents 1 day of profit for me. I have them broken down also into 5 days worth of profit and then 15 days worth of profit, kind of like your 1 and 5 and 15 minute time frames. And then I have my 7-day average down here, which is a 0.65. That's a point system that I've developed to tell me that I need a 1. Well, I'd like to have a 1 because my daily goal is $20. So if I'm hitting a 1, then that means I'm hitting my daily goal on average. But of course, I have red days, so that drops that point system down below a 1. And I'm trying to get better at trading to get up to a 1. So anyways, that's enough of that. Let's look at the stocks for the morning. So the market overall, I noticed, is dropping. We're bouncing a little bit right now. I traded TMF first thing this morning, and I got green on it right away, but then I went red, and then I got back to green, and then my last trade, I almost went back to red on it. So I'm done trading it for now, but maybe after the bell, it'll give us a setup. It's a little tricky to trade, but I did notice I could watch the bid and the ask on this one, and it was pretty true to what it was showing me. A lot of times on Thinkorswim, I can't rely on the bid and ask because I don't know, it's missing data. So we're pulling back, consolidating. It is 15-minute consolidation right now. Let me zoom into that. Oh, wait. What am I looking at? Oh, this is not the right. I rearranged my charts and messed myself all up here. Let's see, where's my 15-minute? Here we go. So 15-minute consolidation, looking for that higher low on the 15-minute time frame. We could pull back. Anything above this level down here is a higher low. We have a pivot at 9:15. We have the EMA right there. So I'm looking for a trend change first off on the 1 minute time frame back to the bulls. So looking for a higher low and higher high on that 1 minute time frame. But right now, on the 5 minute, we're just looking for a lower high because we pulled back so far. If that makes sense. We pulled back enough here that for the bulls to bounce and go straight through is less likely. So that's why I say I'm looking for a lower high, somewhere below 969. And then I'd like to see a pullback for a higher low and then a higher high. And a trend change would, on the 1 minute, would tell us the pullback on the 5 minute is done for now, and so on and so forth. And a lot of times I think a lot of people use the 2 minute and 15-minute together. I don't use the 2 minute time frame very much. But anyways, basically we're pulling back, looking for that higher low. So same thing on SOXS. We pulled back quite a ways here on the 5 minute time frame. We had an inside bar bear break here, but not a lot of follow through. So we couldn't hold the low of that. So bears were unable to close below that low. So now we're bouncing from there, looking for a lower high somewhere below 23.75. Trend change would be nice on the 1 minute time frame. We're kind of getting one here, a little higher low. Need to see some follow through on this higher high coming up against $23 right there. ZIM, I haven't traded this one, but it kind of looked cool on the pattern or on the larger time frame. Let's see here, where are my charts? Okay, so I have that one there. Okay. So you have a high, low, lower, high. I was looking for a higher low on this. Didn't really get it. Maybe a little bit there, but basically equilibrium territory, right? So looking for the bull break over 2250 and up through 2290. That's kind of why I brought this one. I put this one on here, even though it needs volume and it is a higher float stock. I like the low float stocks because they move with more gasoline in the tank. Okay, so what I have over here is MARA. This is my other screen. And really, honestly, I couldn't find a real obvious stock that I wanted to trade this morning, so I just put a few of them up here just to watch. Mara, yeah, I'm not all that thrilled with it, but I thought, what the heck? You know, it's on the gap scan. It's, you know, the float's pretty high on it though, so I don't know. I've traded it in the past and did pretty good on it, but that was a long time ago. BOIL is hitting the high of day scanner. We'll see a nice little move here. That's why I put this one up. Nice little move on the 5-minute, consolidating sideways. Or I mean, I'm sorry, pulled back a little bit. So looking for a higher low on the 5-minute time frame. And first sign of that would be a trend change, of course, for the on the 1-minute time frame. Not much volume on this stock, so we definitely need to see more volume come into it. You see how we had lower highs and lower lows. Now we have a higher low. Can we follow through on this higher high? Right now, I'd say our higher low on the 5-minute time frame is set at $5.30 because we broke the high of that last candle. Looking up at 541. And that's Boyle again. SPY. I haven't really paid much attention to it this morning. I just know that we were down. Yep. It broke the low of Friday today. We had a 4-hour oversold. Talking about the RSI. I see UVXY bouncing or hitting my scan. That must mean SPY is dropping further. So yeah, so we broke the high of that, or the low of yesterday, Friday. 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. So we're just pulling back, looking for a higher low on the 5-minute. But it is a downtrend. Make no mistake about that. Bears are in control on that 5-minute time frame, and on the 15-minute time frame, it's a downtrend. And on the hourly time frame, it is a downtrend. So bears are definitely in control, and we have a lower low. It's a downtrend on the 4-hour. I mean, who am I kidding? So, yep. And it's a downtrend probably on the daily, right? Yep. So there you have it. Going to be getting close to oversold on the daily if we continue to move down today. All right. Final minute before the bell rings. So once again, looking for a lower high on TMF. SOXS looking for a lower high on that. Getting a nice bounce there. Resistance up at 23.27. And looking for an equilibrium breakout on the larger time frame on ZIM. Oops, I'm not even over there on that chart. There we go. All right, so I'm going to be watching these three first thing. Good luck today. I hope your trading goes well. And that's the bell. I want to jump into SOXS there. I guess I will and see. ZIM breaking down, huh? We have a couple of stocks halted already. Amazing. I'm looking for a little more on SOXS. I tried to sell half there, but it wouldn't let me. Oh, that's actually looking pretty strong. I'll get back in it. Okay. Yeah, TMF not doing much there for me. $0 on TMF. So we basically got a little higher low on the 1 minute time frame on SOXS. So I'll buy that dip, a little pullback there. LABU hitting the scanner. Wow, look at ZIM. Selling ZIM there. My stop loss was way too tight. I'm buying the dip on ZIM. I'm going to flatten my trade there on SOX. Okay, I'm going to move my stop loss up. A lot of sellers on the ask on TMF. I don't know that I want to hold that. Yeah. A lot of buyers there, though. I see the buyers coming in like that. There are a ton of buyers. So definitely going to jump on that. Now the sellers are coming back in. So that's a tough one. TMF has really been difficult for me to trade. Like I did good on it early on, but not since. Yeah, the scanners are lighting up. Nice on ZIM. That was the one that I wasn't sure about. It is the one making the moves. Oh, and TMF. Look at you go. I'm going to add to it as it's jumping up here. Seeing all those buyers come in now. It's a really thickly traded stock. So there, I'll sell it right there. Okay. What am I sitting at profit-wise today? 944. Boom, there we go. That was a nice trade. Oh, wow, TMF really took off. There is some stuff happening today, folks. Well, I hate to admit it, but as of right now, I am at phase 2. I have hit $500, and I could keep trading. I certainly could, but if I give back my profit, then I will no longer be in phase 2. So I'm almost thinking I want to take the victory, you know. But then at the same time, we have some momentum going here, so I don't know. Look at these breakouts happening. Okay, let's see here. I don't want to buy. Don't really want to buy any major breakouts, but I could buy like a dip. Do like a dip trade maybe, like here 22.92. But I have to have some patience. 22.90. Oh, that was really a nice move here on SOXS. So I bought the dip on Zim. I'm selling it right there. Wow, that was beautiful. Beautiful trade. That was amazing. That's the trade of the day right there. I'm going to definitely post that one. So what I'm curious to see is if we come back to the volume weighted average price here. Oh, we did, but I kind of missed that. I don't know that I really want to jump in that now. That was a pretty big explosion downwards. Look over here. Look at Boyle. Selling it there. Nice. That was a nice quick scalp trade. On those breakouts like that, I usually like to just scalp them. I don't want to stay in it too long. So back over here again. So we're pulling back for sure on these. I'm sitting up 26.91 on the day. I'm definitely something wrong with the live stream. Okay, so we'll get rid of that line. I'll get rid of this line. No, let's keep that one there. And let's go take a look over here real quick. I mean, I'm telling you, we have a day here that is just crazy. Take a look. Take a look at this if I can figure out which key I programmed for this. Look at the look at the scanner. So this is my halt scanner right here, and look at all of these stocks that have been halted this morning. That is just insane. You don't ever see that. So, and I bet you they're halted going down. Yeah, they're all red. So this one here might be the only one halted going up. Yeah, that one's halted going up. Let's take a look at that. Let's see what that looks like. So it's right here. That got halted at 640. And not very much volume. You know, you'd stock this cheap, you'd want to see maybe 1 million shares on that volume, at least 500,000 or so. But 100, just over 100,000, that's not very much. So I'm not interested in that. But we have some of these other halts that got halted going down. Look at that. Boom, boom. Yeah, I wonder what the overall market's doing here. Let's see, what's SPY doing? Wow, look at that gap down. I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce today on SPY and fill the gap, but you know, maybe not. Let's see. Just continuing lower. Bears definitely in full control. So nice pullback on SOXS, and now we're breaking back out there. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of almost feel like I'm done trading for the day. I mean, I'm well over my daily goal. I've finished phase 1. I am finished with phase 1. Isn't that amazing? I set out to finish it in 40 days, and I think I did it in 35. So that's not too bad. So that means tomorrow I'll start the day with my risk being $25 per trade instead of 10. My daily goal will be 50 instead of 20, and I'm looking to make $1,000 to get through this phase. So pretty exciting. But I do have to make sure that I don't, if I trade again, that I don't lose. I needed $13 to get to 500. And so as long as I have $13 when the day ends, I'll be happy about that. There's a 2-bar pullback on SOXS. So many trades I could be taking here. Boyle is also moving up over here. However, on lighter volume. I mean, I'm thinking about SOXS here. We'll have a new 5-minute candle on that next one. So yeah, I'm too late. I missed it. Things are looking a little choppy all of a sudden. I'm just not sure. Let's take a look at what this date. So what is the date today? 13. March 13th. I have hit my daily goal. I'm up $26.91. And there we go. Over $500. And how many days did it take? Let's count them. If I just do this, I can say 37 days. So I planned on 40, got there in 37. Let's take a look at that road that I'm traveling. So here's my guy, right? So March 13th was the projected date that I would get here. And that is the day that I'm here. So this guy can now move on to phase 2. Yay! So now my phase 2 daily goal is $50. I got $1,000 to get it completed. And we'll see how that goes. So it says I'll complete it by May 4th. We'll see. Pulling back pretty good. Now here's a trade off of the volume weighted average price, but I kind of missed it. That's probably not a bad trade to take right there. Just look for a short-term bounce. Here's one off the EMA. And look at this one. I don't know. Maybe I'll trade again. Maybe I'm not done yet. Maybe if I buy that. And look for the breakthrough. Nope, I'm not going to do it. It's probably going to go, but 26.06, I gave back a few pennies there. No big deal. So 26.06. Let me go take a look one more time. I just feel like, I don't know. It just wasn't, I thought it should have went sooner than that. And look at this. So that was not a good dip. Yep. Okay. Then I'm cutting it off. So there were 2 trades there that I was thinking were as a good idea and totally not. So yeah, obviously it's time for me to stop. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and congratulations if you made some money today. I hope you did. And let me see here. Got a special little song I'll play you out. All right. I'm Josh. I'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday morning. Take care.